Welcome back to the video. This is going to be a continuation of where we left off. The first video, or the first clips we're showing, is of us last week removing the turbo, pulling it out, and then we were testing the 350Z suspension, so we didn't finish it. So this is the second part. We're back a week later.
All right, guys, what's going on?
Basically, I have a crack in the exhaust manifold, and the reason for the crack is because I don't have a flex here. The exhaust is super stiff back there, backed into a wall, and I'm pretty sure all the pressure got absorbed through the weakest point, which was the exhaust manifold above the turbo. Cracked. I'll show you once I take it off.
The fact that you indexed the bolts and your record.
Yeah, I gotta reset that. I had these paint stripes on here for doing nut and bolt checks, but they backed off, and I actually tightened them more than they were before, so that's why they're. Yeah, they used to be here, but I did them more. And don't mind me not having the boots here.
Yeah.
Look at the flex from the downpipe. It's stupid. These studs are no, sorry. These studs right here. These right here. You see how this one came out?
Yeah.
That originally backed out and was a problem here. I want this to be like my last time doing this.
I would just top mount.
Huh? I want to go top mount, but then again, it's like I don't care that much. I want to build a different car. Here is where all the stress was. You can see it. You see right there.
Yep.
Yeah, it's very hard to tell, but you'll notice a loss in power, like when you're trying to build boost. I'll go from building like 18 pounds to like 13 or 14, and if it's a big enough crack, it'll start to sound like a Honda. So.
Not sure how green max tires are. They're $50 tires, but I mean, and I didn't even like really heat cycle them or anything. Like, dude, these socket style ones suck.
$50 a pop.
What's happening?
So ISR basically drilled and tapped the hole slightly off center from the bolt pattern. So basically we had to like mill the gasket to match, but.
Alright, so we mocked it up backwards. We drilled out the wrong one.
Yeah,
So we had to like drill out the holes more so that they ran through, and then I always attach these two first, and I forget that you have to basically put in this nut back here before you lock any other ones down because you can't fit anything in there after. Alright, halftime. We're gonna go on a food run. I gotta pick up Permatex copper spray because O'Reilly isn't delivering right now, so I gotta do old school style and just go there.
This is the side mission right here.
Hooking everything back up right now. Aircraft.
Oh, I think I just got hit in the eyeball with a cobweb.
That's it. I mean, it has Vanessa. Ew.
oh, that bad.
Okay, so manifold and turbo are on. The downpipe is halfway on. You have to get half of it from below the car. The manifold is torqued. Water temp gauge sensor is in. Ground is good. I gotta put this, just attach some of these turbo things and then go into the car and retorque the downpipe, and that should be good for today.
It looks good.
Yeah, it's actually not that bad.
Yeah, I dig this.
If you guys made it this far, you're a real one. I'm sorry I suck at editing. I promise I'll try my best to get better. I suck at talking on camera. Anyways, be sure to give us a like and a follow if you want to keep seeing our content. Stay tuned for our spring break bash prep video that should be coming up next. I'll see you guys there. Keep it real. See you next time.
getting paid for any of this.